Remove the end cover screws. Loosen the 2 screws on the side. Remove the handlebar. Loosen the fixing screws on both sides of the front fork shoulder cover. Remove 2 gaskets. Loosen the fixing screws. Remove the front fork shoulder cover plate. Take lower limit lock. Loosen the screws on both sides of the light bracket. Remove the bike lamp. Remove a lamp holder. Install a new lamp holder. Install screws and nuts. Tighten the screws. Align the arrow to connect the light wire. Installing bike light. Tighten the screws. Install the limit lock. Install the front fork shoulder cover. Tighten the screws. Install the handlebars. Tighten the 2 screws on the side first. Install the end cover and tighten the screws. Organize the wiring harness with ties.